Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards for a decision. The judges score the contest 29-28, 29-27, and 30-27 for the winner by unanimous decision, Tawfiq Musayev.
I'm here with Tawfiq Musayev. What a phenomenal performance. Were you surprised with anything you felt in there, the toughness of Ignacio? That was a tremendous fight.
Çok muhteşem bir dövüş idi. Ignacio sen çok tecrübeli rakibiydi. Bunu kazanmakta, bu dövüşü tutmakta necəydi? Sənin üçün necəydi? Performansını necə qiymətləndirsən?
İlk növbədə öz rəqibimə dərin təşəkkürümü bildirirəm. This is my opponent. Thank you, Bay Hernandez. Good fighter. Thank you, guys. Thank you, his team. It is my team. My team. Randy Couture. Extreme Gym. Thank you so much. Every day, every time. Eric, Dennis, Ismail Biagio. Every day training. Thank you so much.
You have long been one of the best lightweights outside of the UFC. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up.
It is my team. Thank you so much. Rashad, Ali, Ferman, Ibrahim, thank you so much. It is my family. It is my country. Thank you so much. Melissa, Timur, I love you. My family.
Congratulations, Tawfiq Musayev.